insect animals. Insect animals are characterized by their three-part body, which consists of the head, thorax, and abdomen. Let's have a look. This is an ant. Let's spell it.
A-N-T, ant, ant.
This is a butterfly. Let's spell it.
B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly, butterfly.
This is the bees. Let's spell it.
B-E-E, bee, bee.
This is a mosquito. Let's spell it.
M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito, mosquito.
This is a cockroach. Let's spell it.
C-O-C-K-R-O-A-C-H, cockroach, cockroach.
This is a ladybug. Let's spell it.
L-A-D-Y-B-U-G, ladybug, ladybug.
This is a housefly. Let's spell it.
H-O-U-S-E-F-L-Y, housefly, housefly.
This is a grasshopper. Let's spell it.
G-R-A-S-H-O-P-P-E-R, grasshopper, grasshopper.
This is a dragonfly. Let's spell it.
D-R-A-G-O-N-F-L-Y, dragonfly, dragonfly. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.